Hello, I'm Shaun from Theraposture. I'm an occupational therapist and trusted assessor, and I have Liam with me as well. We were fortunate enough to win the Excellence in Caring Award at the Occupational Therapy Show. It was voted for by a panel of occupational therapists as identified that it helps carers and also promotes independence. The Rotoflex 235 Plus enables independence to get from a seated position, as you saw, round to rotate, to get into a bed position, which will get you into a flat position as well. As with all rotating beds, the mattresses are not full length. They're unable to do this, otherwise they'd interfere with the footboard and it leaves a fixed pad on the end of the bed. If you require leg elevation, with obviously the position we have here, we've got pressure areas that could develop here, and also fluid is not going to flow, and it's not good for for health reasons. What we have now to enable this is the only product available. There is nothing else. It's patented. We have a rising heel section that overcomes this problem. It has now fully supported Liam's legs, and we do not have that overhang anymore. So we have the same level of mattress within the heel pad that we do within the mattress. It is controlled remotely, as Liam is currently doing, and as you can see, it is now lowering down. We have to get this into its lowest position to enable the bed to rotate round, which we are now going to see. So not only will it assist getting into bed, it also is assisting to get out of bed. We have different options of mattresses available on this bed based on Waterlow principles to enable pressure care management. We can go up to a grade 4 and we can put a Roho mattress on our Rotoflex range of beds. It will now it will go through the motion, it will enable a assisted sit to stand transfer. If that is a difficulty, you've had a night's sleep, you need to get up, obviously your muscles are not fully functioning. What we do not want to do is rise up with a tilted seat base. That is not a safe option. What we have is a vertical rise. As you will see, the base of the whole bed is now vertically rising. This is a much safer option that will enable a safe sit to stand, which has now been demonstrated. We have assessors all over the UK. We need to make sure that this is the right product for people, and I hope this has been beneficial, and thank you very much for watching.